Well, for the statistical descriptions, I get to do df, let's say df Yahoo here, and I do describe, and describe will give me all the basic statistics, the summary statistics, count, mean, standard deviation, the minimum, the 25%, the 50%, that's the median, the 75%, and the max for all numeric variables. For example, forward PE here. And I can repeat that for df SAS. And then I get describe and just give me the statistical values for the numeric variables that I have, revenue, for example. I normally don't like too much the scientific notation that puts the numbers to be with plus 0.5. You have the option to set that display format to be with, let's say, 3 decimals here. And then if I repeat the code there, the df SAS, and after running this one, it will give me with a notation with 3 decimals in this case, or 2 decimals if you want. And that maybe it's, I think it's easier to read this way. So you can go and do that for you. So it's using pandas, PD, set options, display float format, and a little lambda here that transforms your data. So you just have to copy it here, this, and put it at the beginning of your code. It's very handy. How to find the frequency of labels into a data frame labels column, one that has text values. For example, here we have country in the Yahoo data frame. So in Yahoo data frame, I can go there and say data Yahoo and select the column country. This is all text. So if I go there and say value counts, it gives me the frequency, and all values are the same value in that column, so not very interesting. But maybe if I say sector will give me different values, so a little bit more interesting. If I select sectors here, and here we go, financial, healthcare. Let's do for another column, like another database. So let's say SAS, df SAS, and I get this distribution center here. So I select the column distribution center, and then I go there and say value count. If I want value count to be in percentage, I can say normalize equals to true, and that will give me the percentages. So it's around 5% in each area. And this is all that I had it for the second session here, the exercise session for main session 2. Thank you very much. This is Manuel Gadi. This is CDAMB course.